Don't touch this, just watch.
Hello everyone, this is Little Geniuses Lab.
Where curiosity comes to life. This is Talia.
And this is Mo. Whoa, that's so cool!
So Talia, why do you think that happened?
I don't know.
Well, the soap breaks the surface tension of the water and that makes the pepper move away.
Really? That's so cool.
Did you think the pepper would move?
Tell us at home and tell us what happened.